Hello guys. We are going to present you the top 5 best smoothie blenders available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability and repetition of the manufacturers. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender. Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender stood out to us in many ways with its sleek design, featuring its signature red knob and lightweight jar with a comfortable handle. There are 10 speed settings on the blender and 4 pre-programmed options: soup, puree, ice crush and smoothie. This blender produced a very smooth, thick milkshake and a smoothie that was creamy and homogeneous. In our tests, this super powerful blender also produced great frozen drinks. The unique emulsion cap allows you to add oil to the blender at an optimal pace to get a great emulsion in sauces and dressings. This pick is also sized to fit under most cabinets. The blender jar is hand wash only. Reasons to buy: sleek design, produces creamy shakes and smoothies. Reasons to avoid: blender jar is not dishwasher safe. Number 4. Breville the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. We were very impressed with how well this blender performed for its great price point. The green smoothie setting yields a smooth and creamy texture with no sign of fibrous kale or spinach. This blender also has a regular smoothie button, which will provide you with a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender pureed soup with a silky smooth texture and produced a mighty fine margarita as well. The Fresh and Furious is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. In our tests, we found very few flaws, though the jar is just 50 ounces and stained a little from tomato sauce. Reasons to buy: green smoothie setting, carafe and lid are dishwasher safe. Reasons to avoid: 50-ounce capacity. Number 3. NutriBullet Blender Combo. This well-priced and high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches, and 2 different personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies in pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars, all were uniformly smooth with no flecks. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed daiquiri. The base is not much larger than previous NutriBullet bases, and it has suction cups on the bottom that reliably prevent it from shifting around. Just remember to unscrew the personal blending cups from the base instead of the blade mounts. It's easy to accidentally make a mess. Reasons to buy: 64-ounce, 32-ounce, and 24-ounce blender jars. Easy to read control panel with large buttons. Reasons to avoid: must use caution when removing the cups to avoid messes. Number 2. KitchenAid K153 Speed Ice Crushing Blender. The 3-speed ice crushing blender was our top pick in the under $100 price range. With its high-quality design, this blender looks and performs better than most blenders in its category. Its pitcher is on the smaller side with a 6-cup capacity, but it still allows you to easily whirl up a soup or smoothie in one batch. In our testing, the smoothie still had a little bit of texture from strawberry seeds but was still very creamy and thick. The broccoli and leek soup also had a little texture but was just as silky as you would want from a pureed soup. Unlike most blenders on the market, this one has only 3 speeds and a pulse setting. With a minimal design, this blender is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. If you have a little more money to spend, consider the KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. It has a larger capacity, more blender settings and produced great results in our tests, all at a competitive price compared to other high-powered blenders. Reasons to buy: under $100. Reasons to avoid: small capacity. Number 1. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. It's a cult fave for a reason. Short of cleaning your kitchen, there's nothing the showpiece Vitamix can't do. With pro-quality precision and control, it can make everything from perfectly smooth nut butters to creamy soups and more. The ultra-powerful motor has 10 variable speed settings, and its heavy-duty base won't easily shift on the counter when in use. The controls are intuitive and fuss-free, and this machine excelled in every one of our kitchen appliances lab tests, easily grinding coffee beans and whirling up milkshakes and margs in seconds. It's an investment, but you won't find a better performing, more durable pick, and it's a fraction of the cost of other Vitamix models. One note is that the carafe is on the small side at just 6 cups. Reasons to buy: perfectly smooth nut butter, ultra-powerful motor. Reasons to avoid: steep price tag. Carafe is only 6 cups,